Hey guys, what's going on? Tyler here with Revered Beards, back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be going over a beard straightener that really isn't for me, but I'm going to tell you who it is for. And so I recently got this beard straightener, and on the front it says Movember Viking Pro, but if you search that on Amazon or the internet anywhere, you're not really going to find this actual beard straightener anywhere. And so I did find it again on Amazon. It's by Invjoy. I'll link it down in the description below if you want to check it out. Beard straightener for men, heated beard brush straightening comb. So there are two different types of beard straighteners out there to my knowledge, a beard comb and a beard brush. Usually I use a beard brush. I think that it works better, but there are also beard combs available. And so this one comes in this nice little black box here. So we're going to slide it out, throw that on the ground. And now the temperature range for this beard comb goes from 350 degrees to 450 degrees, so a pretty good range. And so to cycle through the different temperatures, plug it in, turn it on, and then you press the power button to cycle through the different temperatures. And so here, let's take a look at it. You have the actual comb. Now, what's different about this compared to a beard brush is that with a beard brush, a heated one, you have individual bristles sticking out like a brush, and then you have heated elements that are sticking out between those different bristles. Here, if you look at this beard comb, there are different kind of like slated heating elements, can I say that are protected by this barrier. So if I have my hand on here, I cannot get burnt. I cannot touch these heating elements, which I think is great because I've used a beard brush before where you get burnt. I've burnt my lips. I've burnt my neck somehow. I'm not even shaving or combing my neck, my cheeks, or your hands. And you have much more of a chance of getting burnt with those. With this, it is nice because there is a shield and you're not going to get burnt. And it also has a rotating cable, which is an underrated feature because if you're working on your beard and your cable's just like up in your face, it's annoying. So you got to have a rotating cable. It makes things so much easier. And also a nice feature that I almost forgot to mention is that whenever you turn it on and set it to the temperature that you want, it'll actually show you what temperature it is as it's warming up. That way you know whenever it reaches the temperature that you chose. Now, all these things that I mentioned are good, but I'm going to tell you why this beard straightener just isn't for me. So my beard isn't super long. I don't know how long it is, but there you go. It's that long. Whenever I use this, I just can't get it to straighten my beard. I use it and I'm guessing my beard just isn't long enough because if I'm up here, like I just can't get these hairs very well. Like if I sit here and, back and forth and try to press it down, eventually it kind of works. Now, if I grab my beard and go like this and pull out, it does straighten it and it does do what it says it's supposed to do. But then it's kind of out here. Whenever I straighten with the beard brush, I like to straighten it and then bring it down underneath. That way my beard's not sticking out like this. So this just doesn't really work well for me. And I could straighten it like this, but it's just kind of awkward. So if you have a shorter beard like mine, or definitely if you have something shorter than mine, I would not recommend this because it's just not going to be able to do what you need it to do. Honestly, it snags a little bit whenever I'm using it. I'm not sure if my beard hair is getting like kind of stuck around the elements and then around the guard. It doesn't happen all the time, and it's not super painful, but I can tell whenever a beard hair snags. And I just feel like I'm rubbing this on the outside of my beard. Now, if you have a longer beard, this probably will work just fine for you because you can hold your beard down here and just run it the length of your beard and you're good to go. When your beard's longer, there's a lot more weight down here, so it's not going to just be sticking up here. It might be, I don't know. Some people might have crazy beard genetics. If you have a really long beard, you can just take it and run it through, and you're going to have no problems whatsoever. But for somebody with a shorter beard, even like mine, where it's really not that short, I wouldn't recommend this just because it's hard to use, and I just think a beard brush works a lot better. And so if you're interested in this straightening comb, I will link it down in the description below. Like I said, if you do have a shorter beard, I would recommend a beard brush, and I'll put some of those options in the description below as well that you can check out. And so that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up button. Also, let me know down in the comment section below what beard brush or beard straightener that you prefer for straightening your beard that is heated. And if you are interested in more articles and products about beard care and maintenance, visit our website, reveredbeards.com, and also follow us on our social pages, the Revered Beards on Twitter and Instagram. And if you're interested in more beard related videos, make sure you hit subscribe and hit that bell icon. That way you're notified whenever we upload new videos, and we upload new videos every single week. And so that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.